In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to align text in Microsoft Word. Aligning text is one of the most basic but important formatting tools in Word because it controls how your content appears on the page and how easy it is to read. Whether you're working on a letter, a school assignment, a report, or any other document, choosing the right alignment can make your writing look cleaner and more professional. To get started, open your document in Microsoft Word and look at the ribbon at the top of the screen. From there, go to the Home tab. This is where you'll find many of the most commonly used text formatting options, including font settings, spacing controls, and paragraph tools. Once you're in the Home tab, find the paragraph group. In this section, you'll see the text alignment buttons. These buttons let you quickly change how your selected text is positioned between the page margins. If you want the text to begin at the left side of the page in the standard format most documents use, choose Align Left. This places your text along the left margin and leaves the right edge uneven. It's the default alignment in most Word documents and is usually the best choice for general writing. If you want your text to appear in the middle of the page, choose Center. This places the text evenly between the left and right margins. Center alignment is often useful for titles, headings, or short lines of text that need extra emphasis. If you'd like the text to line up with the right margin instead, choose Align Right. This moves the text to the right side of the page and leaves the left edge uneven. Right alignment is less common for body text, but it can be useful in specific situations, such as dates or certain design layouts. The last option is Justify. When you choose Justify, Word adjusts the spacing so the text lines up evenly along both the left and right margins. This creates a neat, polished look that is often used in formal documents, newsletters, or printed materials. Just keep in mind that justification can sometimes create wider spaces between words, especially in shorter lines. Before applying any alignment, make sure you've selected the text you want to format. If nothing is selected, Word will apply the alignment to the current paragraph where your cursor is placed. That's a helpful detail to remember if only part of your document needs to be changed. And that's how to align text in Microsoft Word. Once you understand these 4 options, you'll be able to format your documents more clearly